In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Temu app on your PC, covering all Windows versions. So, if you've been eager to explore Temu on your desktop and make the most out of its features, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive straight into the process. First, you need to head over to the Temu website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Temu web address into the search bar. Once the website loads, you've successfully arrived at your starting point. It's essential to ensure your internet connection is stable and secure while browsing and downloading software, so keep that in mind before you begin this process. As you explore the main page of the Temu website, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. Here, you will notice a variety of options and icons. What you're looking for is labeled Save and Share. This feature comes in handy because it allows you to manage how you interact with the page. It enables you to keep track of the resources you intend to use repeatedly, providing a smoother user experience. After you've located the Save and Share option, go ahead and click on it. A small drop-down or pop-up menu might appear, offering you a selection of choices. Amidst these, you should find an option called Install Page as App. When you click this, your computer initiates the installation of the Temu app onto your desktop. This installation method effectively turns your Temu webpage into an app-like experience on your PC. It's a convenient way to have quick access directly from your desktop without repeatedly going through the browser. As a general tip, this method can be applied to other web pages or services you frequently use, transforming how you interact with online resources for efficiency. Remember, the installation process should run smoothly, but if you encounter any prompts or permissions from your computer, make sure to approve them so the app can install properly. After the installation, it's a good idea to look for the Temu icon on your desktop or start menu, as this will be your entrance to all the offerings Temu has in store, now ready for you to explore at the click of a button. That's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed the Temu app on your Windows PC. Take a moment to open it and confirm everything is running correctly. I hope this guide made the installation process clear and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in and happy exploring with your new Temu app setup.